Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Disclaimer. The opinion expressed here is not investment advice. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest crypto news and price predictions. Dogecoin. This crucial core update will drive prices to the moon. Here are the details. Despite the crypto winter of 2022, meme coin Dogecoin, Doge, continues with developments and holds a position among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Mishbor. A Dogecoin-focused Twitter account has recently shared an update regarding a core development in the Dogecoin ecosystem. The Dogecoin development team is currently working on two major releases, core updates 1.14.7 and 1.21. As per Patrick Lauder, a Dogecoin core developer, these two updates will set a foundation for Dogecoin's future. Offering his perspective, Lauder said that the 1.14.7 update shall occur before the 1.21 update. Besides, the 1.14.7 update comes with big features that have already been coded. However, they were supposed to come with the 1.21 update. As a result, the 1.21 update cannot come before the 1.14.7 update. Additionally, Dogecoin core developer Patrick Lauder calls the 1.21 update a foundation for the future, and it is by no means needed for Dogecoin to survive, as the update 1.14.6 is good enough for it to function as intended and to use it as a base for bug fixes and small features. As per Lauder, the proposed timeline for the release of the 1.14.7 update is by the end of the year. He will soon share a release strategy after adding a few more features and addressing some fixes. The Dogecoin core developer is planning to make it a significant release. Lauder also stated that the proposed release of the 1.21 update will be in March 2023. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. The world's richest man Elon Musk has been an ardent supporter of the meme cryptocurrency. His extended support over the years is the reason why Doge still ranks among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Interestingly, Musk also believes that Doge is better suited than Bitcoin for payments. Earlier this year, Elon Musk also cheered for the Dogecoin core upgrade, 1.14.6. This July update came with significant security fixes along with changes to the existing fee structure. After this update, the recommended dust limit dropped from 1 Doge to 0.01 Doge. Although Doge remains among the top 10 digital assets, it has lost more than 90% of its price since its high of 74 cents in May 2021. The news of Musk acquiring Twitter this month brought a short-term rally in the Doge price. Dogecoin enthusiasts expect Elon Musk to integrate Doge payments into the Twitter platform post the acquisition. However, the excitement has cooled down once again. But beyond Musk's support, some analysts have been questioning the true utility of Doge. These analysts believe that Dogecoin won't survive among the list of two digital assets for long. And cryptocurrency's price prediction. Bitcoin, Ripple and Dogecoin. European wrap. The 14th of October Bitcoin price witnesses a massive surge in volatility after the release of the U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, on Thursday. An initial drop in BTC price is later taken over by buyers, resulting in a sharp move to the upside. CPI came out at 8.2% above the 8.1% forecast, and Bitcoin price tumbled to $18,190 as expected, given expectations of continued aggressive rate hiking from the Fed and a stronger US dollar. BTC price quickly recovered, however, rising back up to touch highs of $19,500. Going forward, high-impact news that affects the stock market will also continue to affect the big crypto due to the tight correlation between the two. However, an interesting development is brewing behind the scenes that hints at a potential start of a bullish regime, at least in the short term. Dogecoin price dodged a bullet, but the narrative remains the same. Dogecoin, Doge, price action was close to a meltdown on Thursday as Doge price tanked on the back of stronger than expected inflation numbers out of the US. But Dogecoin bulls came in and saved the day as traders focused on earlier prints of US retail prices coming down and that element not being reflected in the current inflation print. Traders are shrugging off the stronger number and buying into equities and cryptocurrencies. Ripple price prediction. Only one hurdle stands between XRP and 90 cents. XRP price continues to remain strong relative to other altcoins despite the recent downturn. Regardless, the crypto markets seem to be shifting their bias to favoring bulls, so investors can expect Ripple to continue its ascent. Dogecoin price dodged a bullet, but the narrative remains the same. Doge price action was close to a meltdown on Thursday as Doge price tanked on the back of stronger than expected inflation numbers out of the US. But Dogecoin bulls came in and saved the day as traders focused on earlier prints of US retail prices coming down and that element not being reflected in the current inflation print. Traders are shrugging off the stronger number and buying into equities and cryptocurrencies. Doge price at risk of a dead cat bounce. Dogecoin price action came close to a meltdown on Thursday as the US dollar strengthened following higher than expected inflation data, but then got saved at the last minute by traders that after analyzing the data more closely became convinced that the actual inflation was more benign than at first suggested. For example, several cities reported sharp drops in rental prices not reflected in the rental part of the inflation data. This made some traders fast draw, going long, gambling that this might be the tipping point. Doge price action may give these bulls a negative surprise in coming days if a dead cat bounce looms, with the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, combining with the monthly pivot at $0.0620 as a double cap to the upside. Next, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is nowhere near being oversold, so there is ample room for some more downside moves toward that monthly S1 at $0.0560. Yet it is also possible that bullish traders that caused the sharp turnaround on Thursday could be onto something, and it will be vital to see if more economic indicators come in reinforcing the case for a tipping point in this inflation cycle. Should other indicators show that the Fed's hikes already enacted are impacting on retail sales, lower spending, less demand, etc., expect then to see bulls piercing through $0.0620 and rallying up towards $0.0680 to the monthly R1 for starters. Dogecoin core update crucial to Doge's growth might soon be released. Dogecoin-focused Twitter account Mishabor shares an update on Dogecoin core development as provided by Patrick Lauder. Currently, two key releases, Core Update 1.14.7 and 1.21, which Patrick Lauder refers to as a foundation for Dogecoin's future, are in the works. Patrick Lauder, a Dogecoin core developer, offers his perspective that the 1.14.7 update should be done before the 1.21 release. He argues that 1.21 cannot be released as the 1.14.7 update because it would include big features that have already been coded but were intended for release in 1.21.1 or later. Lauder explains the essence of the 1.21 update as a foundation for the future, and it is by no means needed for Dogecoin to survive, as the update 1.14.6 is good enough for it to function as intended and to use it as a base for bug fixes and small features. As reported by Today, Tesla CEO Elon Musk cheered the last Dogecoin core upgrade, 1.14.6, which occurred in July, by tweeting, "Upgrades." The billionaire had previously advocated lowering transaction costs on Dogecoin, which was required to make it a good choice for everyday purchases like movie tickets. Proposed timelines. According to Lauder, the proposed timeline for the 1.21 update is March 2023. On the other hand, the developer anticipates the release of 1.14.7 this year, since he plans to put up a release strategy as soon as a few more fixes and features are added, making it a significant release. Good day to everyone.